Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today I am going to discuss about an excellent penny stock. The stock is currently trading around 17 rupees, but it has the capabilities to become a multi-bagger in long term. This company is a part of large business group whose net worth is around $1 billion. This company is a leading home textile manufacturer and also it is world's largest wheat straw-based paper manufacturer. And I think you all know that the textile and paper both are very important for our modern society. So we can expect that their business will grow time by time. Apart from that, this company claims to manufacture environment-friendly products. It also participates in CSR activities and works for women empowerment. And as you know, sociologically, all these three components are very important. And this company also claims to receive many corporate and customer partner awards. So friends, I think you are already finding the company profile very interesting. I am not revealing the company name yet so that you do not get biased with the company name only. I will tell the company name a little bit later in this video. We will do a lot of discussion about the fundamental and technical of this stock, but after this short disclaimer.
दोस्तों आगे बढ़ने से पहले कृपया इस डिस्क्लेमर को पढ़ लीजिए, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है.
So friends, welcome back to the video. Now we'll start to do the fundamental analysis. First of all, we can see the market cap of this company is around 9,000 crore and the current market price of the company share is around 17 rupees. Whereas the book value of the company is 6.53 rupees. So if you calculate the book value to current market price ratio, then you can see that the book value to current market price ratio is less than 3x, which is a healthy premium, and we can see that this price is already in the investor zone. Because usually investors prefer to invest in such stock whose price to book value ratio is below 3. So we can say that the current market price is in investable range. And friends, the ROCE of the company is 10.2% and the ROE of the company is 10.3%. I will not tell this figure as very excellent, but for a company which has started rising, these figures are not so bad. I can consider this figure as moderate. So friends, let's look into the financial returns of this company. So friends, if you see the financial returns of this company, you can see that in mid-term, like in 1 year, it have given 162% of return. In 6 months, last 6 months, it have given 19% return. In last 3 months, it have given 23% return. And in last 1 month, it have given 7% return. And in a long run, that is in 3 years, it have given 218% return. So you can see here that it have given a consistent return on your investment capital. And although the company is very small right now, it is releasing periodical dividends. And you can see that it have given healthy amount of dividend in last 3 years. So we can assume that the company is getting healthy profit, because if the company is not profitable, they cannot release dividend. So friends, let's look into the P&L statement of this company. So friends, we are into the P&L statement of this company. As you know that in 2020 and 2021, the corona pandemic is running. So I will ignore the financial return or a P&L statement of last 2 years. I will compare the profit and loss statement on quarter basis. If you see the quarter basis result, then you can see that the total income has risen. You can also see a rising EBITDA, and most attractively, if you see the profit before tax, you will see a 2x jump, means a 2 times jump in profit before tax. And the profit after tax also jumped like double. And last but not least, the EPS is also increasing. So friends, the profit and loss statement of this company also showing some strength about the short-term trend. But as we are thinking to invest in long term, we will also evaluate the balance sheet of this company so that we can get an idea about the long-term strength. So let's go to the balance sheet of this company. So friends, we are in the balance sheet of this company. If you see the balance sheet from 2018, you may see that the cash reserve is increasing year on year basis. This is showing a strength of the company. Because if the company is not profitable or the backbone of the company is weak, the cash reserve cannot increase. If cash reserve is increasing, that means the company backbone is strengthening. And additionally, if you see the borrowings, you will see the borrowings is decreasing on year basis. So this is also a very positive point. and the amount of the decreasing in the borrowing is not a small amount. If you see the current borrowing of the company in 2021, it is around 1500 crore rupees. And in 2018, it was around 2700 crore rupees. So the current borrowings is near about half of the borrowing it was having in 2018. So the company is increasing reserve and decreasing the borrowing. So I can say that it is double positive. It is 2 times positive. And if you look into the fixed asset, then you will see that in last 2 years, the fixed asset also increased. So the balance sheet is also showing us a long-term strength in the company. So friends, I think now we are more or less confident about this company that this company may perform in long term. So now we'll go into the technical chart of this company, know the company name to make our entry for the investment in this company. So friends, we will now go to the technical chart. So friends, we are now in the technical chart and you may see that company name is Trident Limited. I have not released the name before because many of you would go away from this video by only listening to the name Trident Limited. But friends, remember that we are intelligent investors. We invest our money using our brains. We don't invest money with our emotions. So our stock is Trident Limited. And friends, to analyze the entry point, I have used 50 EMA and 200 EMA. If you look into the chart, you may see that 50 EMA is already well above 200 EMA. So it is showing a strong trend and the slope of both 50 EMA and 200 EMA is showing on the upside. So this is also showing a strong trend in the company share price. And if you see the chart carefully, you will understand that whenever the price want to go down below 50 EMA, it get a push on the upside and it makes a new high. You can see that every time it will drop below the 50 MA and it will create a new high. Again, it will drop below 50 MA, again it will create a new high. But the current market price is running above 50 MA. We will expect that the same pattern would repeat. The price will come below 50 MA and there we will invest our money and we will create a position. And we will expect that from below 50 MA, it will again create a new high. So friends, as per my interpolation and understanding, the best price to buy the stock is around 15 to 16 rupees, means in between 15 to 16 rupees, because that is where I am expecting the price to drop and then create a new high. And in a long term basis, we are taking a target of 200 rupees in this stock. So if you buy the stock at 15 to 16 rupees and if you sell the stock at 200 rupees, it is almost 1000% return on your capital. So friends, it is true that this stock may give you a 1000% return on a long term basis. So friends, I hope that you like the content. If you like the content, then please like the video on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you need any live market guidance, then you may join our Telegram channel and you may post your request or question in our discussion group. It is absolutely free service. There is no charges for that. You will find our Telegram channel link in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for this video. We will meet in our next educational video.